In this video, I just want to share one of the tips, sort of secret tips within Windows that is actually quite cool. So it's a feature called GodMode, which essentially allows you to change a bunch of things on fly, and it's really cool. So let's take a quick look. Hey guys, so now that we're on the laptop, you can go ahead and sort of set up the GodMode thing. So as you guys can see, I have my file explorer open here, so I'm just going to bring it onto here. So let's just go to you can basically go to any sort of thing, quick access, go to any folder, and all you need to really do is actually go here, click new, hit folder, and then all you need to do is type in this very specific thing. So I'll put it in the description below, but you basically need to name your folder this thing, and it's GodMode, whatever this code is, exactly like that. So please put it in exactly like this. All I need to do is hit enter to confirm, and if you guys will see, this is what happens. It sure shows that control panel icon here, and that name is removed entirely. So all you need to do is click on this. You guys can see I'm sort of put into this entire sort of different sort of pane, and that is what it's supposed to be. So if you guys go here, you guys can see you can really do a whole bunch of things right from here. Administrative tools are here. It's really nice that it's actually categorized as well, because I think earlier it wasn't categorized fully like this. It looks really nice here, and if you guys want to change the view, obviously you can go to something like small icons, right? I think many people would probably prefer medium icons. I think, yeah, something like this is probably your best bet. You're gonna see everything. You guys can see administrative tools, autoplay, color management, phone and modem, mouse settings, internet options. So you can basically think of this as control panel, but in my opinion, this is an even better visual interface and so much easier to access, since it's just like opening a folder. And you guys can see, you guys can control a whole bunch of things from here. Power options, which is really good for checking firewall, work folders, troubleshooting. It's just really great. And you guys can really just tune any setting you would like. So with that being said, that has been it for this video. If you guys did enjoy, please consider subscribing, since over 90% of the people watching our videos are currently not subscribed. And that being said, drop any ideas you have for future videos I think you'd like us to cover. That being said, peace.